Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Jiangnan University CSC scholarship. So type in Google CSC Guide official. It's a request from my side. You must type CSC Guide official in Google and click on the first link. You can see here is the CSC Guides officials.com website. Okay, so let's start. Click here and click on CSC scholarship admissions. After that you can see here is the detail about other universities and Chengtao University, Renmin University and these kind of. Okay, but we discuss Jiangnan University CSC scholarship. Today we discuss about this university. So here is the detail. You can read the detail about this, and the authority is Chinese Government Scholarship 2022 and Jiangnan University name for master and PhD, and this fully funded scholarship 3,000 RMB for master and 3,500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply. No need to send hard copies. No need to pay application fee. 31st of March 2022 is the last date. Liability criteria you can see all international students can apply. Age limit for master 35 and for PhD 40 years. You can apply with English Proficiency certificate. Okay, IELTS is not mandatory. How to apply? First you need to fill CSC online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form, upload all required documents. Here is the required documents. Okay, and no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies. Result will be announced at the end of July. First you fill CSC form, click here, and after that you need to fill university form, click here. We go to the university portal that how you fill, and I will give you the overview that which documents required and what is the important things. Okay, so required documents list. Here is the required documents list: CSC form and highest degree, transcript, study plan, recommendation letters, passport copy, and physical examination form, English Proficiency certificate, professional work if you have. Otherwise it's not mandatory. No criminal certificate record. Acceptance letter, it's mandatory or not, I'll tell you on university portal when we go. Other supporting documents, and here is the major. The CSC scholarship offer majors these programs: master programs in food science and engineering offered by School of Food Science and Technology, PhD programs degree for food science and engineering offered by School of Food Science and Technology, and master degree program for fermentation engineering, microbiology and biochemistry and molecular biology offered by School of Biotechnology, and PhD program for fermentation engineering and offered by School of Biotechnology. Click here to check that official advertisement. So now we go to the university portal. These are the majors. If you have acceptance letter and your major is not included in these programs, so don't apply in this university. I suggest you try to get acceptance letter from other university or discuss this thing with your professor that your major is not available in university program. So maybe professor can do something for you. So click here and make an account on this website jiangnan.17jz.org, and after that you need to click on online application form, and here is I create an application, so I delete that one, and here is the previous application, so which I was made last year. So click I read the agreement and application CSC scholarships. Okay, and click on next. I select doctoral candidate, and you can see his multiple majors, but you need to check your major from this list. If your major is available in this university, this program list, then you apply, otherwise leave it. First you fill CSC form. Okay, after that you need to fill university form. Your CSC form, how to fill, click here to watch the video. Okay, so for food science and engineering is available in the list. Here's okay, so I click on that option, apply. After that you can see the form. So I go back. I just want to show you that which majors, which documents you need to upload on university portal as well. So click on online application form and I click on view application. So you can see here is the majors required: passport, highest degree, transcript, recommendation letters, English Proficiency certificate. If your major is in Chinese, then you must have HSK4, and study plan in China. Medical report means physical examination form. Non-criminal certificate means police clearance certificate. Form for provisional acceptance for international students. If your major if this option is mandatory, means important star option is mentioned on this option, then you need to upload the acceptance letter, otherwise it's not mandatory. Okay, you need to check this by yourself. Okay, application form for Chinese government scholarship, the form which you filled on this portal and download that form, you need to upload here. Publications, if you have, I think it's optional. So professional work, if you have, it's also optional. I have little bit doubt about this option. I think it's also optional. If it's optional, but for PhD maybe it's mandatory, but if this one is optional, then you need to ignore that one. Okay, if it's mandatory, then you must have acceptance letter, otherwise your application will not be submitted. And your application, if your application is not submitted, will not submit, then it means your application already in process to reject. Okay, so no other documents is click here. Other documents, if you have like award certificate and these kind of things, upload here, otherwise leave it. So here is after submitting your form, when you submit it, then it's changed to in process. Here is infield, it means your form, still your form is not submitted. So here is the detail about Jiangnan University. So later on we discuss, I'll try to find the universities having Shanghai government scholarships. So in next videos, inshallah, we will discuss Shanghai government scholarship, and this will be discussed in future, in after 1 week or 2 or 3 days later. So good luck and keep visiting cscguideofficials.com. If you have any problem, then comment in your video. I'll solve your comment. I will solve your problem. Good luck and take